everybody. I just want to make this as simple and as plain as possible for everybody to follow, because making money on the internet is very simple if you go about it the right way. First of all, you need a system. You need to be able to gather leads, and that's what this is all about. So I've set up this page in order for you to get a lead system for free. Yes, you heard me correctly, for free. That's the new campaign. We're doing this for free. Alright, so you're right here, and what I'm going to do is give you this right here, free traffic sources video series, 9 videos for free. I want to send that to you when you click on start your free trial. Now follow me, because this is exactly what you are going to do, and I'm going to train you how to do. I really shouldn't even have to train you how to do it. All the training is in this system. That's the beautiful part about this particular system, is that all of the training for this is in this system. So it makes it very simple for you. But what you need, and what everyone needs, is additional training. So what I'm going to do on a weekly and daily basis is email you free products so that you can give them to people the same way that I'm going to give it to you. Just that simple. Don't go into making it too hard. Just go about doing it 1, 2, 3. That's it. So I want you to sign up here. I'm going to send you this 9 video series. What you're going to do is you're going to set up this whole process the same way, put it on Craigslist, and you'll receive the same thing that I'm receiving, traffic for this. Okay? Very simple. I'm not going to just leave you hanging. I'm going to give you some additional training so that you can learn how to do this yourself. Okay? It's free, guys. Alright. Talk to you later.